Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
Oh, oh dear, you were led on floor. Now then, where are we? Tuk-tuk starting up there, still in Chiang Mai. It's a Sunday and I'm contemplating whether to stay another day or two. I don't know. I put a little video up to my members only section, giving my thoughts and things like that. Got to keep plugging it, you know. Anyway, just gonna have a bit of a wander around here. Got to get some breakfast and possibly then go to the train station and suss out if I can buy a ticket for tomorrow or the day after. And then the girl in the hotel said I can just book whatever and stay in the same room. So down this little road here there's a few massage shops, a few little eating areas. Sawadee krap. So I'll walk to the end of here. I'll get myself a coffee or something. I don't feel hungry, to be honest. So let's just, yesterday my eyes were greedier than my belly and I ordered too much food. It was nice, but I just couldn't eat it all. So let's see what's down here. I met a girl once down here in a massage shop. She was very nice. I'm going to see if she's still here. Doubt it. A little street food stall. Been there a long time. Oh, it's warm again. I remember watching a video by vlogging a dead horse. Sean, I think he climbed up somewhere like that along this road to the top and had a look over the top. Restaurants and massage places. It's alright. Laundries. Sawadee krap. All these little massage shops along here, I would imagine you could get what you want, if you know what I mean. Possibly not all, but I would say the majority. And you can usually tell by the way the girl speaks to you as she approaches you or you approach her. It's all in the eyes. You want oil massage and they kind of raise their eyes, open their eyes, gesture to the room upstairs with the head and a smile, that sort of thing. You get the idea. Whereas if it just is an oil massage, it's not really any of that. It's more serious and you know what I mean, Owen? Stop going on. Sawadee krap. Sabadi mai. Thai videoได้ไหมครับได้นั่งที่นี่โอ้ร้อนมาก I sit here just for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, okay.
Yeah. I like make video.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. How much for massage?
200 baht for one hour oil massage.
300, okay. So yeah, another weed shop. There's a few down there. Used to be a nice little restaurant down there where I can remember sitting out with the old doc having a few beers. They only sold Chang, but not wrong with that. This is a shop where my friend used to work. Isn't it? No one's there. Yeah, sat with the old doc outside a nice little restaurant, had a few beers and some food. This looks like a nice colourful thing. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a massage shop. No one about. Sawadee krap. Sabadi mai. One year on now. Thai video, okay. ผมต้องการไปสถานีรถไฟ
สถานีรถไฟ
อยู่ที่ไหนครับ
อ
ถไปจากนี้
เลี้ยวขวานะ
เลี้ยวขวา
ตรงไป
ตรงไปเนี่ย
how far ไกล
จะวอกเหรอ
ๆ yeah
ไม่ไกล
why กัน
ไม่
มา
ไกล1 รถ 1 ไฟแดง 2 ไฟแดง 3 ไฟแดง 4 ไฟแดง
อ๋อ
ก็มีสถานีรถไฟอยู่ขวามือ
okay if I get tuk how much for tuk 100ฝรั่ง150
yes โอเค
Okay
ตัดฟอก
เป็นคนอังกฤษ
อังกฤษ
มาจากแมนเชสเตอร์
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stay here.
I've been here 2 nights, maybe 2 more, and then I go Ayutthaya,
อยุธยา
and then Grungtep.
จะไปรถไฟใช่ไหม
But yeah, for train to Ayutthaya. Over, can sleep on train.
โอเค โอเค you want to go daytime or nighttime
Night time, so I can sleep.
โอเค
I want to do. I never do before.
I think you can look view the daytime is okay นะ can go look view daytime
Yeah.
now
Too hot.
nighttime okay
Yeah. I do
Can
night
sleep
time.
first.
Yeah.
Very good.
คุณพูดภาษาอังกฤษเก่งมาก
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Yeah.
many teacher มี
Teacher, ผมเป็นครู
Oh,
I teach you for English.
okay you come
For if I teach you English, you give for me free massage.
okay
Yes? No. No.
ภาษาเราพี่ภาษาไทยโอเค
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Okay, bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Nice lady, nice and friendly. I always ask, Thai video okay? And you say yes. And then you're not overstepping your boundaries sort of thing. Anyway, turn this off for a minute until I find myself a little coffee shop. I think there's a nice one down here. Maybe get a little snack. Sawadee krap.
How are you?
I'm okay, thanks.
Yes, where are you from?
Thai video okay?
Video,
Video,
yes.
Thai. I'm from England.
England. Oh,
Yeah,
where you
yeah.
go today?
I just walking and go to train station.
Oh, train station because right here.
Yeah, but I will go a little bit and then maybe get tuk later.
Yeah, I have tuk-tuk.
Yeah, but now I want to go coffee and everything.
My tuk-tuk very nice.
Yeah, very good, yeah. I can look.
Yeah, you can see.
Ah, there, yeah. How much to be back?
Can you speak Thai?
Thai.
Oh, go and back, no?
No, just go, maybe go and come back. How much?
On the way the railway station. You want
Yeah.
to go see the Bosang?
No, I just want to go to the station.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You take red car, cheaper.
Cheaper, how
Yeah,
much?
Red car 30 baht.
30 baht?
Yeah.
Which, on this road?
Yeah, on road, yeah.
Any? Okay, cut the mark up. See how he's lost his enthusiasm because he couldn't rip me off. Not saying that in a nasty way. You know, he wasn't interested in taking me to the station because he wanted to take me on round here, there and everywhere. But when he said, "Do you speak Thai?" It's a good thing in a way. Because it saves you from unnecessary situations like that. It wasn't a bad situation, just a guy trying to make a living. So here, got a little clong there, and there's Lloyd Crow Road at the end where my hotel is. So I might get on one of them little red baht buses, 30 baht. I've never been on one in Chiang Mai, I don't know where they go, but he said if I get on this road, it will take me to the station, and if it doesn't, it doesn't. What a weed shop. I'm not mourning because I've been told I mourn too much, but I've got a blister on each ankle. I put plasters on, and it's that hot and sweaty, they dropped off. I almost walked past this big sign. I was at my own little world, and I nearly walked past it.
สวัสดีครับ
Sawadee krap.
ครับผม
I want I want to go to Bangkok.
วันไหนพาสปอร์ตนั่งหรือนอน
Only have coffee. Is that okay?
กาแฟอ๋อ
Coffee. You know, not coffee.
กาแฟได้ยินไหมกาแฟคาร์นัมเบอร์ซีนัมเบอร์อัปเปอร์ with air condition
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you very much. Is this Guaidio guy now?
ก๋วยเตี๋ยวไก่ไม่มีไก่มีแต่หมู
Moo. Alright, mate.
อร่อยมาก
I can have one, please. So I've added some chili flakes, got myself a cappuccino, yen, it's cold. They've even lent me a cable. Need an eye on it. Like this. You can see it. Oh, alright, tea, son. This is the cafe that came to me and the old doc. It's sat overlooking the river. Gone. Finished. It's a nice cafe as well. Here she is. This young lady, I've just bought her a... Alright.
เอา2 แก้วได้ไหมอ่ะ
This one?
อันนี้อะไรอ่ะตีหมูผึกสีม่วงๆเนี่ย
Okay.
เอา2ได้ไหมอ่ะ
One, mate.
หวานจ้ะเอาหวานเลย
สวัสดีครับ100 โครกี่บาทนะครับ
ไปไหนนะอ๋อ60 บาท
60
ครับ
โอเคได้ครับ Beautiful, the smell. People say it smells bad, but to me, absolutely beautiful.
Why you won't make me here?